HD stamps are great for photographs, plastic, metal, or glass. Your stamped impression will dry in 20 to 60 seconds on non-porous surfaces. Re-inking HD stamps is really easy, but you need to make sure you are using the correct corresponding ink and make sure you are using a scrap piece of paper to protect your work surface. To add ink to your stamp, you simply grab the body of the stamp with one hand and the black sides of the handle and pull them apart. In the area exposed, there are 2 holes. You will then take your ink bottle and add 10 drops of ink to each of them. To reassemble, simply replace the handle, making sure that it is facing the correct way. You will then open up the protective cap on the bottom of the stamp body and push down until the handle fully clicks back into place.